In this video, we are going to talk about copy and paste to earn $1,000 plus using Google. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. The keyword copy-paste job is searched for a lot by Indian youngsters since it is one of the simplest occupations in the country. Freelancers, students, and those with just rudimentary technical expertise are the primary target audience. For the most part, data input, typing, and copy and paste work are seen as interchangeable. In order to clear up any mistake, the three occupations listed here are completely unrelated to each other. Copy-paste job sites to find on Google. Online Works India. An online copy-paste employment site called Online Works India pays 10,000 rupees a month if you work 5 to 6 hours a day. You need to pay a membership fee of 1,000 rupees, refundable, that would provide you copy-paste employment for 6 months. By investing only 1,000 rupees, you may make up to 60,000 rupees in profit. Using this platform, you may expect to get paid for the tasks you do over the course of a month rather than just a week. Bank transfer or UPI will be used for payment. Click India. Copy-paste jobs are readily available on Click India, a classified website that provides such opportunities. You may submit your application for employment by clicking on the positions that you are interested in, and advertisers can post free and paid ads for jobs here. Here Click India is not responsible for any payments or salaries associated with work that is completed. Therefore, before beginning any assignment, it is very advised that you do research about the advertising. I am unable to provide an estimate for your monthly earnings since this is dependent on the work limit or advertiser that you will choose. Google Careers. Do you know that you may acquire jobs that involve copying and pasting on Google? The response from me is yes. Google has built a search engine that allows users to look for work opportunities. My search was for copy-paste jobs in Delhi, which you can see evidence of in the picture. Here you may discover 50+ jobs are available in Delhi. These employment opportunities come from a variety of websites, including Naukri, Quicker, and other regional websites. You are able to submit applications for positions straight from this page. In addition, I strongly suggest that you use the New Job Alert feature so that you are notified as soon as a new position becomes available. Guru. Guru is a freelancing employment directory that enables users to locate many copy-paste jobs offered by a variety of job suppliers. The Guru team investigates each job lead that is posted on this site to ensure that it is a legitimate opportunity for you to pursue. You may narrow down the available jobs from a variety of places around India by using the criteria that are at your disposal. To increase the amount of money you bring in, you might also look for work outside of India. The use of this website to apply for employment is completely free, and depending on the amount of free time you have, you may choose various projects to work on at the same time. There are over 38,000 available jobs in India on Guru.com in its entirety. Fiverr. Fiverr is the most reliable site for copy and paste work, and it has a wide variety of data entry positions. This is the most effective and cost-efficient platform available for the Indian audience when compared to other employment portals. I strongly suggest that you include as many specifics as you possibly can in your portfolio in order to increase the likelihood of being chosen. LinkedIn Jobs. You may search for the best relevant jobs in this industry using the criteria on LinkedIn Jobs, which is a site that is entirely free to use. The nicest part about using this platform is that you will have access to an endless number of employment opportunities listed by various businesses. To apply for the position, you must click on Apply, and then the link will lead you to the company's website. If you do this, you will be able to submit your application for positions directly on the company's website. The increased number of applicants that are received for each available position is one of the disadvantages of working here. However, sending in applications for a number of different positions at the same time is the best way to get the job you want. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.